Automated lawn care technology continues to evolve, and today we're examining the top 3 robot lawnmowers that are redefining property maintenance in 2025. These machines combine power, precision, and smart features to transform how you manage your lawn. Find the product link in the description below to learn more about pricing and availability. First up at number 3, the Relied AWI 550L robot lawnmower. It operates with a brushed motor system and provides flexible speed control from 0 to 5 kilometers per hour. This mower stands out with its impressive 540 millimeters cutting width and adjustable cutting height from 30 to 150 millimeters, making it adaptable for various grass types and conditions. What sets this machine apart is its remote control capability. It features a user-friendly remote start and stop function, letting you manage operations from a safe distance. The 24-volt system delivers consistent power throughout operation, while its 1.4-liter fuel tank ensures extended mowing sessions without frequent refills. Features you'll want to know about: adjustable cutting height system, remote control functionality, 105 kilograms robust build quality, fuel-efficient RV 225cc engine, extended 1.4-liter tank capacity. Moving to our second pick, the NY550L Crawler Remote Control Robot Lawnmower. This professional-grade machine incorporates advanced features that make it particularly effective for challenging terrains. It employs a powerful combination of a 350-watt brushless motor and your choice of premium engines from Lonson, Yamaha, or Kohler. What makes this mower exceptional is its remarkable remote control range of up to 1,000 meters, providing unprecedented operational flexibility. The dual-blade system ensures precise cutting across its 540mm width, while the electric starting option offers convenient operation. Its ability to handle slopes up to 45 degrees makes it ideal for properties with varied landscapes. Key features that make it stand out: choice of premium engine brands, extended 1,000-meter remote control range, dual-blade cutting system, electric start capability, advanced slope handling ability. And now, number 1 position, the TONGZHONG TZ550 Robot Lawnmower. This brushless motor-powered machine combines efficiency with impressive coverage, managing up to 1,300 square meters per hour. Its 500 millimeters cutting width and 7 centimeters cutting height deliver consistent results across large areas. It earns the top spot through its intelligent design and robust performance capabilities. The 24-volt 70Ah battery system provides reliable power delivery, while its self-propelled feature ensures smooth operation across various terrain types. The overall build quality, with dimensions of 988 by 880 by 460 millimeters, strikes an ideal balance between stability and maneuverability. Essential features that secured its top ranking: high-efficiency brushless motor, impressive 1,300 meters per hour coverage, robust 70Ah battery capacity, height-adjustable handles, advanced anti-stall technology. Conclusion: each of these robot lawnmowers offers unique advantages for different needs. Whether you prioritize remote control range, cutting efficiency, or overall performance, there's an option that matches your requirements. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this review helpful, show some love by hitting that like button, subscribing, and ringing the notification bell.